Hi, Gunner. He's a sweet boy. It's not a picture, it's a movie. Hi, Gunner. Gunner. Gunner, come on, smile. Gunner. Ooh. Yeah? I know you're not hungry.
How's the movie going?
Gunny Bear.
How's the movie going?
Good.
Did I say you record?
Hi, Gunny Bear.
Record me in the movie?
Oh, yeah.
What's that? What?
He's just talking.
A talking bunny bear. What does that mean? A talking bunny bear. What does that mean? Mommy? Do you like I'm recording myself here? Did he record me? When?
Right now, you're in the movie.
In some of them? And in this?
What are you doing, big head? What is this? There's no music on. What are you doing?
Dancing right now? I'll turn the food on. Can I turn it on?
No, I'm filming the baby making noises right now.
How about after you make a new movie? How about that?
Maybe.
I'm gonna have a lot of movies, am I?
You're a superstar.
Do you like when I get in the movie? Why?
Oh, yeah?
Mommy?
Are you both superstars? Who's the bodybuilder? You're the bodybuilder? You're gonna be in Flex magazine when you're older? Stop taking it, you know. Is Gunner gonna be a bodybuilder too?
What'd he say?
Is Gunner gonna be a bodybuilder too?
What'd he say?
I don't know.
Yeah?
He doesn't know yet.
Says now he knows.
You're gonna be Mr. Olympia?
He said he is.
Are you?
Yeah. The baby said he is too.
Oh, he's gonna be Mr. Olympia?
Baby Mr. Olympia.
Oh.
What? Baby Mr. Olympia. They're gonna hear him talking to you and the baby. Everybody talking.
Oh, yeah? He's talking. You're gonna be Mr. Olympia too?
Wow.
Yeah?
Hey, am I in there yet?
Yeah, your big head is right there. Are you also gonna be a quarterback so you can buy me a big giant house? And some diamond rings and diamond earrings?
Then I'm gonna get you a special cake.
A special cake?
With chocolate. And that cake I told you about with new stuff.
Oh, okay.
Sprinkles. What else do you like?
Pecans.
It's gonna be in there too. What else?
I don't know.
Chocolate?
Sure.
Icing?
What kind of ice cream?
Chocolate ice cream. Ice cream on the side. And a lot of stuff. And ice cream sprinkles. And ice cream chocolate.
Yeah. What are you doing? This ain't dance Garrison time.
Whenever you show me, I have to dance. It's called the Baby Dance Star.
Yeah?
It's called the Baby Dance Garrison Star. You want to call it that? Is that what you want to call it?
What?
The Baby Dance Star?
I don't know.
With Garrison dancing?
Sure. Hi, Gunner Bunny.